Tired of studying physics longer, but want to learn physics in a few minutes? This video is for you. Hey guys, welcome to our quick physics tutorial wherein we will answer physics problems step by step. In this tutorial, develop your analytical skills in a matter of 10 minutes. Improve your comprehension in physics concepts. Study at your own pace and study at your best convenient time. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and click the bell for more updates. See you in a bit. Ready? Let's begin. This problem is about finding the average velocity of a particle from a given position versus time graph. Consider the position versus time graph of a certain particle moving along the x-axis as shown on your right. Find the average velocity in the time intervals 0 to 2 seconds, 0 to 4 seconds, 2 to 4 seconds, 4 to 7 seconds, and 0 to 8 seconds. Step 1. Identify the given data. In here, the problem has given a data of position versus time graph of a particle. Step 2. Identify what the problem asks. In here, it is asking for the average velocity for each time intervals, namely 0 to 2 seconds, 0 to 4 seconds, 2 to 4 seconds, 4 to 7 seconds, and 0 to 8 seconds. Step 3. Recall the expression of the average velocity in terms of meters per second. We now write the average velocity as delta x over delta t equal to x final minus x initial over t final minus t initial. Step 4. Solve for letter A using the expression we wrote in step 3. Take note that both x and t initial is 0, since the particle started from 0 reference, while x final is 10 meters and t final is 2 seconds. Plugging in, the average velocity for this interval is 5 meters per second. Step 5. Repeat step 4 using 0 to 4 seconds time interval. Take note that still both x and t initial is 0, while x final is 5 meters and t final is 4 seconds. Plugging in, the average velocity for this time interval is 1.2 meters per second. Step 6. Repeat step 5 using 2 to 4 seconds time interval. Take note that this time, x initial is 10 meters at initial time of 2 seconds. Plugging in, the average velocity for this time interval is negative 2.5 meters per second. This means that the particle is moving backwards. Step 7. Repeat step 6 using 4 to 7 seconds time interval. Take note that x initial is 5 meters at 4 seconds initial time, while x final is negative 5 meters at 7 seconds final time. Plugging in, the average velocity for this interval is negative 3.3 meters per second. Once again, the particle moved backwards. Step 8. Repeat step 7 using 0 to 8 seconds time interval. Take note that both x and t initial is 0, while x final is 0 at 8 seconds final time. Plugging in, the average velocity for this time interval is 0. Let us have a little exercise. From the same graph, solve for the average velocity of a particle in time interval 2 to 5 seconds. Just follow the previous steps and you will get the same correct answer. And we're done! Thank you for watching! Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and click the bell for more quick physics tutorials. Like and follow us on our Facebook page. See ya!